And this is yet another reading, and I am going to do pick a card reading and how July will be for you. I think another 15-16 days are left, and I am going to give you three different things, and you can pick any one of them. So let's see. I do not know, I did not make a pile or something because I was not getting the instructions, or I was not getting pushed to do a pile, pick a pile. But I think let's go with pick a pile. So your first pile is light blue. That's how I'm going to work. And your second pile we can keep is yellow. So the second pile is yellow. And your third pile, what color should I take? What color should I take? I've done. Mm, let me see. Let me see. Mm, is red. So the third pile is red. It's kind of orangish, but I'm going to take it as red. So let's see what are your messages. 15-16 days are left in July. So remember guys, I'm a psychic medium. I am an intuitive tarot reader, and I read my tarot very intuitively. So let's see what are the messages for you. What do the archangels, spirit guides, and my ascended masters, what do they want to say to you? So let's start with the first pile. If you've chosen pile number one, here are the messages for you. I'm going to do a quick reading. I'm not going to keep it very long. Let's see what are the messages. Let me see what decks I'm going to use. So if you've chosen pile number one, which is the blue pile, these are your messages for the month of July through all these 15-16 days that are left. So first message: flight. Let your creative imagination fly. So this is the time to be creative. This is the time to unleash the ideas inside you. This is the time not to make boundaries for yourself. This is a time for businesses, new ideas, anything new, anything innovative to take flight. I'm just going to show it to you, and how confident the person is. It's almost taken flight. Probably the whole plan was in your head or something, but now, it's like you're going to see it through. There's a lot of movement there. There are people following you, so there are people who believe in you also. I do not know if you can see it very well. Can you see people following you? So you've kind of gathered a crowd, or you've gathered followers, or you have people who believe in you, and you're going to start something new. And I want to say this is the time not to stop yourself. Just unleash your creativity is what I want to say, because I feel this is a very creative period for you, and maybe you are a very creative person. You have a lot of talents, and you've been stopping yourself in the sense that you probably did not have the time to showcase your talent or something similar to that. But this is the time, that you can do a lot of good. Sorry, I was doing the right foot spell in Hindi, and I had something written, so I just uploaded that. And let's see what are the other messages. The silence will give you a lot of answers. For some of you, remember, this is a general reading, so it's not that all messages will resonate. So one message might be for you, more than one message might be for you, but it's not all 10 messages will be for you. So this is for you to be silent and understand what's going on in your life. I think which is a big message. It means going away from the world. Doesn't mean seriously going away, taking a flight, or going somewhere. But this is spending time with yourself, and reflecting upon things and trying to know the answers. A lot of times we look at the mirror. We stand at the in front of the dressing table, and we stand in front of the mirror, and we're just like, what is coming for me? What can I expect? What's going to happen? So these are the things you need to do probably in the coming few days, and you're going to do it. I think you want to retrospect. That's another message that I get. See, you're going to move. So you're moving somewhere. You're moving in your mind. You've already moved to another place. You're moving away from someone. This is packing. This is bag and baggage. This is moving bag and baggage. It's like almost packing everything, all your belongings, the tiny things, everything in the house. It's leaving something empty. Is it going away from someone? Is it moving from one house to another? That's what I also get. Sorry, I'm going to have my tea in between. You know in a matter, don't lose your dignity. Handle a situation in a very diplomatic way is what I get also in the coming weeks. If you've chosen in 1 or 2 weeks, if you've chosen the first pile, which is the blue colored stone. So just be a little diplomatic, deal with the situation, very diplomatically. Kind of don't get entangled in the situation. Don't get entangled in someone else's fight, because I feel somebody's going to drag you into their own messy situation. So you've got to be away from that. Be of service to others, help others. Somebody wants you to help them, extend your hand, helping hand. If you can help with money, some kind of funds, but It's also helping a friend to move somewhere. It's also helping a friend to move on. Probably somebody wants to break up with someone and is not finding the strength, so probably they'll look at you and they'll be like, tell me what to do, can I do this? If they're in a difficult time, just help them, and help them get out of that difficult time however you can, by being a support monetarily or otherwise, lending them support, or with words or anything that you think you want to support them. Like this is totally right, because it says listening, so you got to listen to them. Okay, you got to do a lot of listening, because you'll be not solving all the world problems, but this is listening to people, understanding them. That's what you need. I do not get the message that you want people to listen to them. Sorry, you want people to listen to them. I feel it's, you need to listen to people around you. If you've not been listening to your family member or a loved one, I really feel, it's good to listen. I also get honesty at the end of the deck. So be honest in a situation. Remember, I said dignity. Don't lose your dignity. Being honest is good, even if, it's like not really a comfortable place to be in, but honesty is the best thing. That's what I get. This is holding your ground, no matter what whoever says, whatever stories about you, or is spreading lies, but this is holding your ground in July is what I feel. Let me see what are the messages that I can get. I'm just going to use not more than two decks, because I want to give shorter messages. I wasn't really ready for this longer reading. I said meeting because I just finished a meeting. Pile number one. What are the other messages? This just jumps. You were in a very vulnerable, situation. I do not want anybody to take, this thing, because you're in a vulnerable situation, to dominate you, to influence you in the wrong way. So do not show your vulnerabilities right now. Even if you've just started a relationship, don't tell your weaknesses to everybody. Even if you are in a um, in a job or whatever, even if you're dealing with someone and you just met the person, don't tell them what your weaknesses are, because sometimes people do use weaknesses against us. So do not. This is you divulging information too soon. That's the guided message I get. So in the coming days or 2 weeks, do not divulge any kind of information. It's not going to be good for you. It's going to be bad for you, because people are going to use it against you. Okay, remember that. I get number 7 for you a lot. You're going to see a lot of number 7. I get a number 3 for you a lot. You're going to see number 3. Sorry, I'm taking a sip of my tea. I'm sorry. I also got the message that you're going to be as busy as a bee. So that's really good. It's either you're going to be the buzz, you're going to create buzz around you. It's like being the queen bee. Everybody is going to be around you. Remember when we first got that card where I said a lot of people following you? So I do not know if you're an influencer like on Instagram or whatever, but I feel a lot of people follow you. They also try to copy you, whatever you do. So those are the messages that I get. Be careful of somebody. Remember I said you're at a vulnerable position, so somebody is going to keep changing their statement is also what I get, to just to influence you, to get you off some track, not on the right track. In fact, to get you off the track, somebody is going to just influence you. So just be careful about that. This is what I'm getting again and again. I feel brown is going to be a good color for you. Light brown, dark brown, whatever brown you want to use, that's going to be good for you. I get a lot of 8 also. I do not know if you've been seeing the number 8, or you're born on the 8th of any of the months, or the 8th month, you were born on the 8th month. And while I just said it, it was 828. So 8 is an important number for you. I saw 828 in the counter, so 8 is important. I also get this card. Some new promises will be made. Commitments will be made. You'll be spending a lot of time with your loved one. Something's going to bring you two together, like a situation or something. You're going to have a heart-to-heart conversation. You're going to have a beautiful date. That's what I feel. That's what's coming up for you guys. So guys, let's move on to pile number 2. If you've chosen the Yellowstone, that's pile number 2. Let's see what are your messages for July, for the next 15 days. What all can I tell you? What all messages can I channel? I do not know. I'm just picking this card up. I'm just going to tell you what it is. But don't get blinded by a situation, or don't get blinded by somebody's niceness. It could be fake. Okay, that's another message that I get. It's like they'll talk as if honey is dripping from their mouth, but they do not have good intentions. I do not know why, but I had to say it because it's a channel message. You are blessed with majesty and power and vision. So kind of a vision. You're going to be very clear in your mind where you headed. There'll be a lot of clarity in a situation, a lot of clarity in decision making in any situation that you are, no matter how good or bad or whatever, but you will have clarity of the situation. Like your perspective, your viewpoint will be very clear. divine sight. So this is all clarity. Imagine you have divine sight. So please be clear. I do not want you to get blinded by anybody. So be very clear. So I think this is clear sight. Having a clear sight, probably your work involves clear sight or something. So this is suddenly having that aha moment. I also get that aha moment. And I also feel that, sorry, I'm having tea. I also feel that you see good in others, and that's what you're going to do. Even if, if somebody puts you in a spot and it's a bad situation, you still try to see, good in a situation. And that's what you're going to see. Even if somebody is going to be bad to you, you're going to see good in the situation is the message that I get. Sorry, my tea is going to go cold if I just let it be. I'm going to keep giving messages. Remember, I said I do not care. I just want to deliver messages. Archangel Gabriel, call the pure white light. So work with white color, I feel. There is purity of heart. You're very clear in your sight. White, there is clarity. You're very calm with the decisions you're taking. That's how July end is going to be for you, 15 July to 31st July. Kind of calm and, peaceful. I do not know if you like white roses or white lilies, but that's the kind of flowers that I can see in my mind. This is actually also calling for clarity. If you are confused or something, whichever God you believe in or whichever divine higher power you believe in, call for clarity and you will get clarity. You will get clear signs of which paths to take or where to go. What are the messages? What are the messages? This one almost popped up. Choices. I just said all this. I just said choices. Your choice is going to be very clear. See, you will get choices to make also. So if you get 2 job interviews, if you get 2 things, 2 houses, and you cannot decide which house to move into, or anything that's 2 or more than 2, you'll be very clear in your choices, and this is what you get. I do not know if you can read because there's a reflection. And there is another way. Ask your unicorn to help you find it. I told you, even if you are lost, even if you're like, which way should I go? Is there another way for me? Ask your divine power exactly the messages that I wanted to deliver. Call in your divine power and they will tell you exactly what to do in the given situation. That's going to be great. Soul satisfaction. You're going to be with your soulmate. You're going to spend time with your soulmate. I also feel a lot of 444, a lot of 222. You might see Archangel Michael also. I'm going to pick this up because there is honesty in a situation. There's clarity in the situation. You're going to feel very powerful in these coming days, because you're so clear in where you're going, what you're doing, how you want to be, where you want to be. So this is totally, a very clear situation. Also very clear with your soulmate. If there were any misunderstandings or anything, any problem, any situation, I feel that this is going to be resolved. I do not know why, but I got the word medicine. I do not know if you have anything to do with medicine. Are you a doctor? Are you a nurse, a chemist, or any medical service provider? I do not know, but I suddenly got the word medicine. Are you studying medicine? Any form of medicine? I do not know why, but I got the word medicine. Blessings are on its way. You're going to get everything that you always wished for. I also feel that you work well with animals. I also feel you're surrounded by your family. You love by your family. I also feel you have a lot of strengths in you, like different kind of strengths, like probably dog represents loyalty and bull is strong or something. So it's like you imbibe all the different strengths of animals. I do not know why, but I thought of the word animal farm. I do not know what it would mean to you. Do you stay in a farm, or you thought of a farm, or you read the book, or something similar to that? Be careful of somebody's mind games is what I get, okay? I feel a lot of aspirations here in this yellow stone, if you chose the yellow stones. A lot of aspirations, wanting to do a lot, wanting to do a lot in life, and I get that also. Let's see what other messages do I get. I feel you're going to be very calm, you guys are going to be really calm, and I do not know why, but I feel you guys don't believe in karma, karma in a way. You believe in it, but it's like, I'm going to set my own path. I'm not going to be bad to anybody, and that's how I'm going to make my life. A lot of people just give up and say, oh, this is karma, I'm not going to work, because once if something bad happens, like, I cannot work anymore, this is my karma, this is how my life is supposed to be. But you guys, even if things are not right, you're going to put them right, you're like, I'm going to make my life, this is in my hands, and I'm going to set my life right. So you believe in karma, but it's like you can make your situation better is what I feel. Let's see what are the other messages for you guys. I told you, fire passion doesn't mean if it's come reversed in a wrong way, but I think in this coming days, you're going to be very calm, I get a lot of calm energy. Look at this, there's no fire, and there's like, I want to do this and I want to rush here, and there's no rushing bit, because you're going to be creative and you're going to be very focused. Look at this, very focused in whatever you're doing. Your focus is on one thing. I get transformation also. Doing new things, reviving art. I do not know what it means to you, but reviving old things, reviving something. Probably, old paintings, and, kind of putting them right, so, they can be used, or, as good as new, but sorry, something similar to that. You've not been practicing your healing. You were healing. You left it midway is what I get. The channel message is, why did you leave your, when you were getting healed, or you were having medicines, or you were following some kind of a therapy, going to a counselor, you left it midway. I mean, you didn't believe in it, or you left it midway, you didn't get the time. Please do not lose strength at around end of July is what I want to say, okay? This is if you've not healed well. This is for some of you, okay? Remember, if I'm giving 20 messages, all 20 are not for you. Few messages will resonate, few will not. So if this one is resonating, I feel you're giving up a kind of meditation that calms you down or something. It does good to you. And if you give it up in between, this is how you're going to feel. You're going to feel weak back again. That's the message that I get. I get the word procedure, but I do not know why. With this file, I'm getting like a lot of medical terms. I'm getting a lot of visuals of medicine and stuff like that. Be a little guarded is what I get. I do not know why. I'll just say I do not know why, because it's a channel message. I get, be a little guarded, okay? Very powerful, something very powerful that suddenly strike. It could be an idea, but also be careful. Remember when I said towards the end of the month, it's kind of, don't lose your power. Be strong, okay? Be as strong as lightning. Something's going to strike, Remember that aha moment you're going to get. You're going to get an aha moment suddenly, and suddenly you'll be like, it's like clarity in a situation. It's that kind of power, or you'll be handed power suddenly, or you'll be handed something so powerful, and you'll be like, what do I do with this? Release your ex, release any negative feelings, release any bad feelings, release a bad job, release something that doesn't belong in your life and is causing you negativity, because see how leaves shed when it's autumn. Or probably you were thinking of releasing somebody in August, and you still are thinking, and you're going to do it in August. That's what I feel. Yeah, that's what you're thinking about it. That's going to happen in August is what I get. Please follow your instinct, because I feel you are not going to follow your instinct. You're not going to listen to your gut feeling. Please listen to your gut feeling. Gut feelings are mostly right. Focus, very clear, still focus. If you work with an amethyst stone, it's great. You can work with an amethyst stone. I also get a lot of red for you guys, It's like, look at this pen. It's a combination of red and yellow. Though you chose this yellow crystal, but I also can see the red crystal next to it. There's a combination of red and yellow that's happening. Some kind of a power play between two people. I get two powerful, two equally powerful people together. That's another thing that I got. When you're really powerful and you think same, and none of you wants to step back, and you're kind of showing your power. I get two really powerful people working together, or in an affair, or whatever, in a relationship, whatever you want to call it. So those are the messages. I'm going to move to pile number 3. It is very hot. So if you've chosen the red pile, here are your messages. I'm using 2 decks. I'm also doing channel messages. So for the rest of July, from 15th to 31st, see, these are your messages. These are the things that you need to do. These are the things that you do not need to do. These are your guidances. But remember, in the end, do what you think is right. Always do that. Got to be more wiser. Are you studying? Did an experience leave you wiser? You're going to carry this experience through the month of July. Something, either you were reading about gods or anything, or you're just strengthening your belief system. I do not know why, but your value system, your belief system, this is strengthening your, what you think, or, what you stand for. I also feel that, you have that wish that people around you should respect you. I do not know if that's kind of a feeling, or you want that, or you feel you do not get much respect. I do not know if it's in a job situation or probably a relationship, but you feel, people don't respect you. I wish they respected you more, because you feel, you're kind of wise, and, people do need to listen to you, to what you say, because you have a lot of, intellectual or things to say, a lot of experiences. So you want people around to respect you, whoever's around you. That's what I feel. I also feel you've been doing a lot of reading about gods. I do not know why, but this pile is totally different. Are you been reading? Have you been reading about manifesting, about different gods, or have you been praying a lot? Are you in a situation where you just, it's like, almost I can see a visual where you fall onto your knees and you just pray and you say, I get the word save me. Are you in a situation like that? I just want to see the cards, because this is a very different pile, and I got red here. Is your heart bleeding? In the sense, did you have a very bad love situation? So pile 1 was very different, pile 2 was very different. Pile 3 is totally different. The kind of visuals I'm getting is a bleeding heart, and somebody tricked you, somebody cheated on you, and you kind of very heavy in the heart and not really happy. I just want to say you're unlimited. You can do a lot of things. Did somebody say something to you in a sorry, in a job situation? Did they put you down and you really felt hurt? I feel a hurt heart. It could be in any way, but I feel, you coming to terms with what did the person say? What happened? So remember, this is a general reading. I'll probably give 20 messages. Not necessarily all messages will, resonate with you. I get a lot of 7 with this pile also. 7 number is good for you. You're going to be suddenly lucky. You're going to get a lot of, wealth, money. It's sudden money coming towards you. You were not expecting that probably you'll get a promotion or you'll get a new job so soon. Something you weren't expecting and happens, and this is like, it's really pleasant, and you'll be pleasantly surprised. It's also somebody giving you some money. It's also from grandparents, from parents, from probably selling a house. But I see lots of money coming in. Also wanting to find your soul purpose. I told you remember I told you when we started that this is about, are you reading about gods? Is it that you've lost your identity? Is it that you do not understand? Like a lot of times we all have these questions, it's not crazy when we, think about these questions that who am I? Why am I here on earth? And, who am I? What am I doing here? Is this the only solar system? You're thinking about such things. Why am I here? Okay, I've done this. Now what is my next soul purpose, or what is my purpose here? Why has God sent me here, or why am I just doing what I'm doing? So things are a mystery for you. This was the second one. Totally, you kind of there is mystery around you. Are you learning about it? Are you learning about higher powers? Do you practice magic? I do not know if you practice magic, because I'm getting all these visuals in my head, like candles and smoke and all that. But yeah, that's the visual that I get in my head. Why have you given up on hope? This has come reversed. Not really happy. Okay? You got to get in touch with someone. Are you waiting for someone's call? Sorry. Card was just falling, slipping out of my hand. You've given up on hope. You do not have to give up on hope. Remember that. Even if you have a first 15 days of July, please keep your hopes high. Okay? This has to be, there is a rainbow. Do not worry. Okay, things will be all right is what I want to say, and that's what the spirit guides are blessing you with, that things are going to be okay. You've been facing very bad 2-3 months. I get 2-3 months. It's going to be, you're going to be back on your feet. Take care of your eyes. I get an eye. Have you been crying your eyes out or something? Because I get a heavy heart. I get crying. I do not know. It's like, I'm not feeling very settled while I'm talking. I'm not feeling really calm. I'm getting a lot of anxiety while, I'm talking to you. Somebody had to surprise you. Like the wealth one was a pleasant surprise, but with some information you weren't very happy. So this group is confusing me a lot. Sometimes with psychics, you get one kind of a reading sometimes, or sometimes you get very strong 2-3 messages. But here, I'm getting a lot of messages. I'm like, not this, not that. Not really happy. Probably you're not really happy with the partner, and you want to be away with the partner. The partner has hurt you. I get a lot of hurt in my heart, and I'm getting a lot of anxiety stuff, right now, because first and second were very different piles. Like I said, what are the messages? Yeah, something is taking a lot of your effort. You're like totally pained in this. You're like, I cannot do this anymore. It's like because effortless has come reversed here, and you're like, I cannot make any more efforts. I think you could be in a relationship, a job, anything. You're making efforts and putting all your money and all your love or whatever the situation is, and you're getting nothing out of it. I told you you work with magic. I got this card. Look at this. Invoking something, manifesting. This is candles. This is smoke. This is what I just saw in my mind. something really shook you up, okay? You were not expecting something. It really shook you up. But remember, guys, the coming days are going to be okay. You're going to feel better. You know, whatever shook you up is the bad times are gone. Probably that's the message I wanted to bring to you guys. If something did not go your way or did not happen your way or somebody hurt you, you guys are going to be much better when July ends. You know, remember, this also came reverse. So this could be a love situation, guys. This could be a broken promise. It could be a commitment. It could be a broken marriage. It could be anything. Probably kids are involved, but this is broken promises. Whatever you promised, you know, the guy or the girl promised you, the sun, the moon, the stars, you know, and it all came crashing down. It all, you know, it came crashing down, and you do not feel good about it. Yeah, some situation wasn't good. So relax, guys. It's going to be okay. Look at the volcano. It came reversed in my hand. So there was a situation with really, you know, it was something like a molehill. A molehill became like a mountain, or you know, it became very big. It was very insignificant in the beginning. You know how fights are very small, and it blew so much. It blew up so much. You did not know what to do with it. But don't worry. It's going to be good in July. It's going to calm down. Things are going to be better. Life is going to be better. It's going to be back in a routine. Remember that. I told you harmony. I got harmony in a situation. If you were feeling bad, not really good in a situation, I get that you're going to see a lot of 555. I also get a lot of feathers for you. You've seen, you know, a lot of leaves fallen around. You know, like autumn is coming, and you know the trees are shedding the leaves. Maybe there is a sign there that some things are coming. New things are coming. You know, when you say turn a new leaf, or you know there's a new leaf, or you know, things are going to be better because there's harmony. You're going to work well with people. I do not know, but music maybe would be healing you. Does your name start with T? Does your name start with R? Does your name start with C? Does your name start with K? I'm getting you all these alphabets right now while I talk to you. Let's see. I'm going to use another deck for you guys and give you messages. I want to use another deck. Why are you hurting? Yes, after July there's movement. You're going to move on in life, guys. Whatever made you stop, whatever you know, you were in a very bad place. Nothing was happening, like neither this side or neither that side. So it's like you weren't really moving. And after July, it's going to be all good, guys. You do not have to worry. A card just flew out of my hand, and I got chills right now. It's just flown out of my hand and gone there, guys. I get strange experiences, man. You know, it's gone so far, and I had all of it in my hand. It's just like, you know, it just landed there. I do not know what card is it. I'm going to pick it up and tell you guys what it is. Let me pick it up. I'm going to miss for a minute, okay? Yeah, six of Pentacles. Something is coming in your life. Somebody is going to give you money. Justice will be served is what I get. I get strange experiences sometimes. So it's like I'm just shuffling like this and one flew like that. Okay, with all the power. I don't know what it wanted to say. Was it a message for me, for you? Okay, and not being happy with an offer. So if you want money, please don't be greedy. Probably that's the message, okay? Somebody's offering you something. Do not be greedy. This is good for you. This is right now good for you. Also get multiples of 2. I do not know, 2, 4, 6. They're going to be important for you in the coming days. 2 days from now, 4 days from now, 6 days from now is the message that I get. Wear light blue, okay? Light blue is going to calm you down. Light blue is going to bring good things to you. That's what I get. One more message for this one. This pile has been totally strangely different, okay? Believe in karma. The one that I got before this doesn't believe in karma. They're like, doesn't matter if my life is bad, I'm going to, you know, make it right. But here you go to believe in karma. Are you thinking, you know, your life became so bad and you start blaming karma? Okay, this is karma. I'm not going to do anything. I was supposed to get this pain. I must have done this thing to someone, you know, in my previous births. I have to be, you know, like this. So don't think all that. Things are going to be fine. Take care of yourself. I'm telling you, after 16 to 17 July, things are going to be much better. You're going to feel better. So those are my messages. If you want to join my channel, please click the join button and join my channel. Please like the video. Also leave a comment. I always read the comments. And I am going to, come up with another video soon. So please also you can click on the bell notification button, so you know when I'm uploading something, you can get a notification. So thank you so much, guys. I'm going to be back soon with another reading. Bye. Have a happy July.